Hello everyone, welcome to my video. So today video we will see the data communication. What do you mean by data communication? What is data and signals? And what are the types of data flow in data communication? So in previous video we have already covered what is data communication. So data communication means when you are transmitting data from one place to another, that is data communication. For data communication, we must have a sender, or you can say source, receiver, and a medium through which data is transmitted. And one protocol must be there. Protocol means set of rules, means which the sender and receiver must follow. That is set of rules. So we will see what is data and signals. So data can be analog or digital. Data types दो type के होते हैं data. Either it is in analog or in digital. Analog data refers to information that continuous. Analog data takes on continuous value. This is the example of analog data. Example at time देखिए इस वे में frequency में जा रहा है. Digital data refers to the information that discrete state. So this is the figure of analog signal and this is the example of digital data. Now take a look what is data communication. It is the transfer of data or information between a source and a receiver. The source transmit the data and the receiver receives it. मतलब आप इसको सेंडर और रिसीवर भी कह सकते हैं. सेंडर जो सेंड कर रहा है और सोर्स और रिसीवर जो उसको रिसीव कर रहा है. What is the purpose? Now what is the purpose of data communication? The purpose of data communication is to provide rules and regulation that allows computer with different disk operating system, languages, cabling and locations to share the resources. So the rules and regulations are called protocol and standards in data communication. So data communication के लिए mainly आपके पास चार चीज होना चाहिए. You must have four components of data communication. One is sender, second one is receiver, third one is medium of communication or transmission and the fourth one is protocol means set of rules जो आपका sender और receiver follow करेगा. Now see here, sender, source, मीडियम जिसके थ्रू डेटा जा रहा है और रिसीवर उसको रिसीव कर रहा है. सो दिस इज द फ्लो ऑफ डेटा कम्युनिकेशन. नाउ वी विल सी डेटा फ्लो. हाउ डेटा इज फ्लो बिटवीन टू पॉइंट्स. सो मेनली देयर आर थ्री मेथड्स. तीन तरह से डेटा आपका पास होता है. So the direction of data flow can be described as. So data flow ये बहुत important topic है कि how the data is flow between two points. दो points में data communication means what? Data is flowing from one place to another. Data is transmitted from one place to another. तो किस way में transmit हो रहा है? What are the ways how the data flow? The first one is simplex. In simplex data flow there's only one direction data communication. इसमें एक ही डायरेक्शन में डेटा आता है. ठीक है. See here simplex. The data flow is only one direction on the data communication line or medium. Best example इसका रेडियो और टेलीविजन ब्रॉडकास्ट है. आप देखिएगा आप टीवी में एंटीना लगा हुआ है आप रिसीव कर रहे हैं तो ये आपका वन डायरेक्शन में डेटा पास हो रहा है. दैट इज सिंप्लेक्स. टीवी स्टेशन से आपका पास हो रहा है आप एंटीना से उसको रिसीव कर रहे हैं सिग्नल्स को. दैट इज द सिंप्लेक्स फॉर्म ऑफ डेटा फ्लो. Second one is half duplex. So data flow in both direction but only one direction at a time you can data communication line. Data होगा both direction में लेकिन एक जब वर्क करता रहेगा second one must be stopped and if the second one is talking the first one must be stopped. So best example है walkie talkie. वॉकी टॉकी आपका बेस्ट एग्जांपल है. इसमें आप देखेंगे कि दो जब पर्सन के पास वॉकी टॉकी रहता है तो एक बोलता है तो दूसरा उसको रिसीव करता है और जब वो बोलता है तो अगला उसको साइलेंट मोड में सुनता है. So data flow in both direction, but only one direction at a time on data communication line. For example, a conversation on walkie-talkie is a half duplex data flow. Each person takes turns talking. If both talks once, nothing occurs. हाँ, अगर क्वेश्चन है अगर दोनों एक साथ बोलने लगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा, कुछ भी नहीं काम करेगा. सो वॉकी टॉकी का रूल ही है कि एक अगर बोल रहा है तो दूसरा उसको दैट टाइम द सेकेंड वन मस्ट बी इन साइलेंट. और फुल डुप्लेक्स डेटा फ्लो इन बोथ डायरेक्शन साइमल्टेनियसली. दोनों डायरेक्शन में. इसका बेस्ट एग्जांपल आपका कंप्यूटर सिस्टम्स है, लैंस है, मैन्स है, वैन्स है, जिसमें दोनों डायरेक्शन में आपका डेटा ट्रांसमिट हो रहा है. सो मॉडेम्स आर कॉन्फ़िगर्ड टू फ्लो डेटा इन बोथ डायरेक्शन, बाय डायरेक्शन, बोथ डायरेक्शन साइमल्टेनियसली. सो मॉडेम्स आर द configure the data flow in both direction. आपका टेलीफोन भी एग्जांपल है, टेलीफोन भी आप दोनों मोबाइल भी एग्जांपल है. So what is modem? M-O-D-E-M. M-O is for modulation, D-E-M is for demodulation. So modem is a word which made of two words, M-O modulator, D-E-M demodulator. So modem एक device है. So modem is a device that enables a computer to transmit data over, for example, telephone or cables line. So function क्या होता है इसका? The computer information is stored digitally, whereas information transmitted over telephone lines is transmitted in the form of analog waves. Means ये मॉड्यूलेशन और डीमॉड्यूलेशन का फंक्शन है डिजिटल डेटा को एनालॉग में कन्वर्ट करना. अगेन रिसीविंग पॉइंट पर भी लगा होगा जो एनालॉग डेटा को अगेन कन्वर्ट करेगा इनटू डिजिटल फॉर्म. देखिए एग्जांपल, यहाँ टेलीफोन लाइन से एनालॉग डेटा आया, इसको ये मॉडेम रिसीव किया और इसको डिजिटली ट्रांसफर किया कंप्यूटर सिस्टम को, और ये जो सिस्टम रिटर्न करेगा डिजिटली, अगेन द मॉडेम विल कन्वर्ट इनटू एनालॉग फॉर्म एंड ट्रांसफर इट. So this is the function of modem, that is modulate and demodulate. Now see how fast the modem can transmit and receive data. At slow rates, modem are measured in terms of baud rates. The slowest rate is 300 baud. The highest speed modem are measured in terms of bits per second. The fastest modem run at 57,600 bps. The faster transmission rate, the faster you can send or receive data. For example, if the device sending data to your computer is sending at 2400 bps, if you must receive it at 2400 bps. Now what about voice data? So many modems support a switch to change between voice and data modes. So in data modes, the modem acts like a regular modem. In voice mode, the modem acts like a regular telephone. So modem that support voice data switch have built-in loudspeaker, microphone और voice communication. जो उसमें जो modem use करता है उसमें आपका loudspeaker और microphone लगा होता है. An auto answer modem enables you to computer to receive calls in your absence. उसमें एक और facility है auto answer modem, जो आप नहीं है तो that time it will receive the message and store it. Some modem perform data compression which enables them to send data at a faster rate. Data compression का काम भी कुछ modems करते हैं. However, modems at the receiving end must be able to decompress the data using the same compression technique. Now, fax modem. Most modern modems are fax modem, which means that they can send or receive faxes. Modem से fax भी आपका send और receive किया जाता है. Now the digital connection. The connection between the modem and the computer is a digital connection. So computer understand 0 and 1, that is digital data. So आपका modem जो है वो computer से connected रहेगा तो वो digital लेगा. So the basic connection consists of transmit data, that is TXD line, a receive data, that is RXD line, and many hardware handshaking control lines. The control lines determines whose turn is it is to talk modem or terminal, or if the terminal or computer is turned on, if the modem is turned on, if there is a connection to another modem. So TDX line आपका data transmit करता है और RDX आपका data receive करता है. Now see for the analog connection. The connection between the modem and the outside world, the telephone line, is a analog connection. The voice channel has bandwidth of 0 to 4 kilohertz, but only 300 to 3400 hertz is usable for data communication. So modem convert digital information into tones, that is frequencies, to transmitting through the phone lines. So the tones are the 300 to 3400 hertz voice band. Now the types of modem, as we see there are two types of modem, external modem and internal modem. So external modem sit next to the computer and connect to the serial port using the straight through serial cable. External modem जो होता है जस्ट बगल में होता है, और पोर्ट्स जो होता है दो टाइप का होता है, एक सीरियल और पैरेलल. तो एक्सटर्नल मॉडम हमारा सीरियल पोर्ट के थ्रू कनेक्टेड रहता है. Now we will see what is internal modem. An internal modem is a plug-in circuit board that sits inside the computer. It incorporates the serial ports on board. They are less expensive than external modem because they do not require a case, power supply and serial cable. Now what is telecommunication? Question बहुत बार आता है, what is telecommunication? Telephones and networking work hand in hand. टेलीफोन और नेटवर्किंग दोनों कॉन्सेप्ट को जब आप एक साथ यूटिलाइज करेंगे, दैट इज कॉल्ड टेलीकम्युनिकेशन. द कॉमन गोल इज टू ज्वाइन distantly located LAN into MAN and WAN. अच्छा, तो कॉमन गोल है, इसको क्यों ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं हम लोग टेलीकम्युनिकेशन को LAN, MAN और WAN एक साथ यूटिलाइज करने के लिए we use the concept of telecommunication. Talking to someone on the phone uses voice channel. We use voice channel for modem communication to connect to the internet. Due to bandwidth limits on the voice channel, the data transfer rate is relatively slow. Now what is voice channel? Voice channel is dial-up connection through a modem using standard telephone lines. So वॉइस चैनल क्या है? ये डायल अप कनेक्शन है थ्रू अ मॉडम जिसमें एक डिवाइस के यूज होता है और यूजिंग स्टैंडर्ड टेलीफोन लाइन, ये आपका कहलाता है वॉइस चैनल. सो टिपिकल वॉइस चैनल कम्युनिकेशन रेट्स आर 300, 1200, 2400, 9600, 1.4K, 19.2K, 28.8K, 33.6K and 56 kbps bits per second, kilobytes bits per second. Now what is data channel? Data channel are dedicated lines for communication, digitalized voice and data. At the end of 1996, there was a major milestones when more data was communicated in North America telecommunication system than voice. So voice के through ही data भेजा जाता था. So that is called data channel. So data channels are special communication channel provided by common carriers such as Telus, Sprint, Bell Canada, AT&T, etc. for transferring digital data. Digital data को send करने के लिए we use data channels और voice के लिए आपका telephone channels था. Now data channels are also called leased line. So they are directly connected. You don't have to dial up connection number. The connections are up and running 24 hours per day. They appear to work as if there were a wire running directly between the source and the destination. The typical transfer rate for data channel is 56K, 128K, 544M, 2.08M, 45N and 155 Mbps. So common carriers charges for data connection is the amount of data transfer, megabyte, the transfer rate, bits per second and amount of use time per minute. That's all from today's lecture. Thank you. Bye-bye.